Japanese healing oil massage relax, restore, refresh in the modern world. Stress, fatigue, and mental overload have become everyday companions. Many people are searching for effective ways to bring balance back into their lives, while nurturing both the body and spirit. Among the most celebrated methods for relaxation and holistic healing is the Japanese healing oil massage. This ancient-inspired practice blends traditional Japanese massage techniques with the therapeutic properties of natural oils, offering a treatment that is as restorative as it is soothing. Designed to help individuals relax, restore energy, and refresh their sense of well-being, this therapy provides a complete rejuvenation experience. The philosophy behind Japanese healing oil massage. Japanese healing traditions are rooted in the idea of balance and flow. Massage practices such as shiatsu and AME focus on stimulating energy pathways, improving circulation, and easing muscle tension. When these techniques are combined with warm, nourishing oils, the result is a treatment that works on multiple levels: physical, emotional, and spiritual. The oils serve as a medium that allows smooth, flowing movements, while also carrying therapeutic benefits from natural botanicals like camellia, green tea, or rice bran. This dual approach touch, combined with healing oils, creates harmony in the body, helping release stress, dissolve blockages, and promote a state of deep relaxation. The spa experience. A Japanese healing oil massage is much more than just a treatment. It is a carefully curated spa ritual. The environment plays a vital role in enhancing the session. Typically, the room is designed with soft lighting, warm tones, and calming aroma. Gentle music or the sound of flowing water may fill the space, evoking a sense of tranquility from the moment one steps inside. The therapist often begins by warming the oils, allowing their natural fragrance to gently diffuse into the room. As the warm oil is applied to the skin, the smooth texture immediately induces comfort and calm. Long, graceful strokes, alternating with deeper pressure techniques, work across the body to relax stiff muscles, stimulate circulation, and melt away tension. Each movement is deliberate, designed to not only ease physical discomfort, but also to calm the nervous system. Relax, restore, refresh. The guiding principles of this therapy: relax, restore, and refresh are felt throughout the experience. Relax. The warm oils, rhythmic strokes, and serene environment create a sanctuary from everyday worries. Muscles soften, breathing slows, and the mind drifts into a restful state. Stress and anxiety gradually dissolve, leaving space for peace and stillness. Restore. Beyond immediate relaxation, the massage helps restore balance within the body. Improved circulation nourishes muscles and organs, while the release of stored tension supports posture and mobility. The natural oils also restore the skin's health, leaving it hydrated and glowing. Refresh. After the session, clients often describe a sense of renewal. Fatigue gives way to vitality, and mental fog clears to reveal sharper focus. The refreshed state is not just physical, it also brings a renewed emotional outlook, helping individuals face daily life with calmness and resilience. Lasting benefits. Regular Japanese oil massage sessions offer lasting health benefits. By reducing stress hormones, improving blood flow, and supporting immune function, the therapy strengthens overall well-being. Many people find that their sleep improves, headaches lessen, and chronic tension reduces over time. On an emotional level, the practice promotes mindfulness and inner balance, reminding individuals to slow down and care for themselves in a meaningful way. A ritual of self-care. Ultimately, Japanese healing oil massage is more than a spa indulgence. It is a ritual of self. It respects the connection between body, mind, and spirit, offering a pathway to wellness that feels timeless yet deeply relevant to today's world. Whether experienced as an occasional escape or a regular wellness practice, this therapy provides a way to relax, restore, and refresh in the most holistic sense. In a society that rarely pauses, Japanese healing oil massage is an invitation to step into a peaceful space, to honor the body, calm to mind, and embrace the beauty of renewal. It is a reminder that true healing often begins with stillness, touch, and the simple act of caring for oneself.
Hello friends, how are you and how is everything going? Friends, how is today our video Japanese relaxing wellness oil therapy and relaxing spa session. I hope you people like our video very much because this video is very important to stress free and pain free, a peaceful happy life. Yes, you people get all this by using Japanese oil massage, Japanese spa therapy, Japanese ASRM relaxation session. So friends, if you like our video, please stay with us, subscribe our channel, make a comment, like and share. And Japanese oil massage is very easy. If you follow our video instruction, you can get this session easily at home, and you can get a stress-free life, peaceful life, and pain-free. It's a wonderful happiness. Thank you, friends. No more today. Watch again next video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Take care. Bye bye.